What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is not the video I was planning on uploading today. Me and Katie were going to do the truck ratings, but I think that will be Tuesday's video just for, certain timing of things. That email is full. There are so many of you guys that emailed in, and thank you for that. Like I said, I'm going to go through, we're going to pick them at random because there are just so many, but thank you. And it looks like a lot of you are interested in this, so we'll probably have to do another one, but that email is loaded. But me and Katie are going to be filming that probably tomorrow. But right now, my buddy Mike, the Timberland green Cummins, the green one, the other green one, the sparkly green one, he traded it in and ended up with a Longhorn mega cab, and we're going to do some work to it because he put his American Forces on it with the leveling kit, so we're going to be chopping and gluing this truck up too, if you missed my video a long time ago. But he there's a leveling kit on it, and he just swapped the tires and got this new truck. But we're going to do some chopping today. But yeah, thank you guys all for the submissions. We're going to get to those. We're going to get to as many as we can. It should be fun because the few emails I've looked at already, you guys got some awesome taste. Even some trucks you guys are sending me stock, I'm like, where did you buy that? Because I need to buy that. Speaking of that, the next build this week, I'm probably going to go and just pick it up because I'm tired of being around the bush. I just need to buy it. I just need it. Literally, I'm going nuts. I need something to do here. So we're going to go pick that up this week, hopefully. So that should be fun as well. So stay tuned for that, but we're going to go outside now and dig into this.
I gave him my old set of chrome lug nuts because I didn't want to take them home. Just left them in the center console. Oh, this one? Turbo Parks also.
It must be a high output thing. Because my 06 was a high output and it would turbo bark. So it must be a high output motor thing. It has to be. There's no other, I don't know.
You get that much like horsepower and stuff, it does it.
Got Brembos on this? What is this? Or you just painted them red?
You just painted them. I'll take rust-free ones. That's fine.
I know. Everyone wants me to like take mine out and powder coat them purple, which I might do if I'm really bored in the spring. If I'm really bored in the spring, I'll take my calipers off.
I don't know which one I want.
Damn, now you have sensors. You can use my bumpers and paint them. Granite crystal or whatever.
I don't know if I want to.
You didn't take your taillights out? I'm gonna have to redo those. But honestly, super jealous of the mega cab. That's what drives me nuts. Is yeah, literally. Except he's missing your mega cab. Somebody took the. I guess that's only on the older ones. It usually says mega cab there.
Yeah, they're not on 410s.
Damn. Man, that's nice. Alright, a lot of you, yeah, maybe Black Friday or something. I'll buy a toolbox, just a Harbor Freight green one. I don't know if there's a sale or not, but if not, I'll probably just order it anyway. Because this is too much to handle anymore. I hate the mess, and it's just, I gotta get it all fixed up. But, first thing to do to every new truck. Where's my other socket set? That's good. It's over here. Grandpa, delete. You're gonna have to put the battery on here, but that should be. Oh, I forget. Is there a small one too? Just those 213s, all the way across. Oh my! This is stupid.
Better than my green one or worse?
Oh, well, I like the green color, but I like the mega cab. And see, just the flares itself make the truck look so much better. Just the sport flares. I told you, everyone asks me where I get them. And literally, if you go to the dealership, they're at the parts department, then you just buy them and get them painted. But they look so much better. Just because they're not like bushwhackers that stick out 8 feet, but they're just sleek. It's nice. Honestly, keep them, put them on your Instagram for sale or something. Somebody will want to buy these things. I shipped mine to California. Some guy wanted them. Mine, because they were wheel to wheel. Yours aren't exactly wheel to wheel, but for a mega cab.
Dude, she got out of it today, and she's like, "These steps are kind of useless." I was like, "That's a go."
That's coming up. You got it on that side, or what am I holding on to? Is it just
the whole thing?
Oh, that's good. But literally, you have a quad cab long bed right here.
Yeah,
that's what's funny.
I got more space in the cab.
I know. How many people sit in the back?
0.
Oh, that looks so much better without the steps already. Honestly, just lift the stupid thing. I'm getting sick of this cold. I'm about to move to like Georgia.
You're not moving anywhere.
What?
You're not moving anywhere.
I know, but it'd be nice to have like that or like a warm shop to work in. I gotta go buy a truck this week, so.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna look and I'm just gonna pick and I'm gonna drive. It's like a constant battle. I order so much random crap all the time. I don't know what I order anymore. I feel like this is what all these videos consist of. Is just you moving your tires around.
I can't see anything.
I put those 40s on myself.
You didn't ask for help.
I need to rotate those actually. I know, I could tell that these are getting like, I don't know, it seems pretty stout, but like the corners are wearing a little more than the inner. Like the outers just seem a little taller. I don't know if it's just leaning in or what's going on here. I don't know, I might just be worrying about too much. I don't know. What I really need is 42s, and I need to, there's something like at SEMA, there's a whole bunch of new companies with like 44s and stuff, but I need 42s. Actually, real question. You had a Ford and now this is your second Ram in a row.
Yes. Does that explain anything?
That should explain a lot to people.
I almost went Duramax just to try it out.
He did say it is rare to find a high output, which I assume it might be, but look at that. The new ones got the high output too, but look at that. We got all these light bars. Ooh, fun. That's just really bright now. Yeah, start it up and then we'll see how much it revs.
Revs or rubs?
Rubs, not revs.
Also.
Oh my god. This high output motor should sound sick. Is that full? Go full. Alright. You see, yeah, it's like cutting as much as we did last time. That thing's,
So it's probably the same height leveling kit.
It looks a little lower. Because I could see your other puck. This one I can hardly see. I know, let me see if I have a blade. And it's honestly crappy because the control arms pull the axle back when you do a leveling kit. So honestly, we got longer control arms and kick it forward, the controller would be fine. Alright, crank it over. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say you're still gonna rev, so I'm just gonna trim it up.
What kind of cup was that?
Ow! Is that all the way? We gotta lose that bottom bolt on the flare there.
Turn her off.
Alright, 8 times the turn. Yeah, this side is a little more, it goes up here.
At least we know where we're gonna cut.
Everything. It's gonna... Hello? Or maybe the other one. Oh! Oh, I cut that bolt right in half. Look at that. That's fun. All right. Here we go. Oh, I really hope this works. I don't want to cut anymore. I'm freezing out here. All right, again, 8 times the charm on this side. Really chopped it up, but what you got to do.
That's that then?
That's that.
We're clear?
Oh, we should be clear. Oh, my back. Woo. Literally right.
Also, when do I get to drive?
Whenever you want. I don't really care. Literally, heated seat, heated steering wheel, heated seat.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Exactly. It's a big horn, but it's got some perks. So I'm actually quite excited about this. For those of you who watched my other video, I did make a brisket, but what I did was I ordered a meat grinder attachment for my KitchenAid over there, so I can make my own like snack sticks. So if any of you have like a snack stick recipe or something, like the beef, like just jerky sticks, put in the description below or something for me so I can check it out, because quite excited about that, to be honest. There's a whole bunch of 4th gen Ram on my driveway. I love the length of that mega cab. Oh, that thing sounds damn good. I just love that. I know he left the other day and I love it. So new truck. Obviously, another Cummins. Like I said, he had a Ford and now he went from a Ram to another Ram. It's a thing. I even had another buddy who had an F-250, and then he bought a Ram and he loves it. It's once you fall into the trap, you're always gonna have a Ram. I even know people who had a Ram just on Instagram, and like SEMA builds, they had a Ram, sold it, went to like a GMC, and they're like, nope, need a Ram. Once you have a Ram and just the way it feels, I feel like you're always gonna have one. It's just hard to explain. It's a Ram thing. More of a Cummins thing. That's why I picked the Ram in the first place, was the Cummins. Will not stoop to the level of a Nissan, though. Forget that. But absolutely love the Cummins and the Ram truck. I'm going to sweep this up real quick here. She is getting old. Not really. She's about to hit 20,000 miles. This truck has been lifted since, I believe, 3,000 miles. So it's spent about 17,000 miles of its life with a lift kit on it and 37-inch or bigger tires. And it's cooking. It's going strong here. So that in itself is pretty awesome. I am hungry, and I'm gonna go over to Chipotle, because you know, that's just my thing. Always after finishing like a project, me and my buddies, when we were younger, would go get Chipotle. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I freaking love this truck, guys. That's what's crazy. It's like I can't see a thing. I could totally get like a 5th gen and stuff, but I just love this truck too darn much. I honestly do. All right, guys, here we are at Chipotle. I'm actually just gonna pick up my dinner, and I'm gonna go home and edit this video. But I want to focus in here, get a truck this week. There's so many ways I can do it. I'm so tempted. I love driving. Like I get my Ram, I love it. I get my Charger, I love it. It's so hard to like finally like focus in and get a truck, a different one. But we will. We're gonna get there. I want to pick one out this week, and I just want to go and pick it up and get it. I don't want to deal with it anymore, because when I need one, weather's gonna start getting bad here, and I just need a new truck. So I'm really searching the first couple days this week and just go make it happen, because I'm not say tired of it, but I just want it to be done. I want it to be over with. I want to get the truck and start the build, because frankly, I mean, until spring-ish, I probably won't have much to do on this truck. Maybe a few things from Banks Power, maybe coming for this that I could do in the winter. But some of the major things I want to do are going to take a lot of time sitting outside. And me doing that, not as fun as you would think. Just saying. I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. I want to say take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys all for your support. And we should be rating your trucks next. So that should be super fun as well. So, see you guys then.